I will be making confetti cookies by Smitten Kitchen. In this episode, my guest baker is Bobby, my grandma.
Hi.
With these confetti cookies, they are basically just a sugar cookie dough rolled in sprinkles. Use rainbow sprinkles, like I will be using today. If you want them for a festivity, like for example Valentine's Day with red and pink, 4th of July with red, white, and blue. But today we will be making them with just regular rainbow sprinkles. To start, we need to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna grab our stand mixer. And Bubby, I know there's a history on this stand mixer. Would you like to share it with us?
Sure is. So this may look a little old to you because it is old. And it's a little discolored, but they don't make them the way they used to. This mixer was your father's grandmother's, Bubby Esther, and she was a superior baker. So it's so nice that you're using this mixer in this episode to make confetti cookies.
So the first thing to do when you're baking is always to wash your hands. So now we need to line our baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large bowl, we're going to combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to set our bowl to the side. Now once we've combined our dry mixture, we can mix together 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 1¼ cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of cream cheese. So now that we have our butter, sugar, and cream cheese in here, we're gonna lock our stand mixer and turn it on to low. And just beat enough so that way everything doesn't splash. And then slowly bring it up to about medium speed.
I like that speed. In the middle of beating it, you want to make sure that you have all the cream cheese, butter, and sugar off your beater. So that looks, does that look good?
Yeah, that looks good.
All right,
Now
now
we
we
can
can
put
put
it
down the sides. Make sure we get anything that would have gone up around the sides. Great, that looks like
Yeah.
everything is scraped down, and then you can
We can
scrape
tap
your
it.
spatula right along the side. Good.
Put this back down, lock it, and bring it back up to medium speed.
It is really well whipped.
So when you're cracking an egg, you always want to crack it into a bowl first in case you get any eggshell like that. Lowest speed.
You pour in the egg.
The egg.
Really make sure that it's really mixed well.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we can unlock this, scrape it off, and we also can now add our dry mixture. So we're going to turn this on to low speed. So now we can add our dry mixture. We can slowly tap, not everything, but about half of the dry mixture into our bowl. And then, a cool trick that I learned is to cover it with a towel so that way it doesn't splash. Put it on low speed. And after a little bit, you can peek in the back. And I can show you guys too. You can peek in. As soon as you don't see any more flour,
mixed.
and everything's mixed,
It's well combined.
then you can add the rest of your flour, slowly tapping it in.
Maybe a third, and a third.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I like that.
All the flour is incorporated now, so you don't want to overmix it, otherwise it gets super tough and it's not good.
Look
There
at
we go.
So it's now
And now it's not fully mixed.
Making a
but what we
ball,
want to
though.
do, but it's making a ball. So we want to scrape all of that off.
all that dough comes off. It's
Then
kind
we
of
can mix
crumbly in places. Do you want it like that?
Yeah, until
Okay.
it's fully incorporated, it's sometimes a little bit crumbly. Sometimes when you make this, it'll be too soft to form into little balls like this. So you'll need to wrap it in plastic wrap and basically chill it in the fridge for 20 minutes. But for us, you can easily just form it into a little ball. So ours is fine. Okay, so now we need our baking sheets, which Bubby is gratefully got for us. And then we're going to take our rainbow sprinkles, grab a bowl, and then just pour about a cup. One person is just going to take a small clump about this size, and then, yeah, you're just going to roll it and pat it down like that. You can just drop them in, pat it on one side, drop them in, pat it on the other, and then sort of roll them like this.
Oh.
So that way you get every little piece like that. Okay, so we have these here, and now we're going to leave these here for about 2 minutes to cool. They're cool enough that we can now
When they're
take
not
them.
falling apart, they look delicious.
Okay, so we've let our cookies cool on the cooling rack, and now we're going to invite my sister here to try them with me. We have Maya, Bubby, and now we're going to each try a cookie. Okay, now let's try it.
Oh, it's so good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and make sure the notification bell is turned on to all. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye!
Bye.